Our everyday products are mass-produced on an assembly line thousands of kilometers away, and that's where they create jobs and profits. Mass production is a highly productive process, but it's also capital-intensive, energy-intensive, complex, inefficient, and polluting. It demands a huge diversity of tools, processes, and skills, a whole factory, to produce only one uniform, standardized product. At Fabster, we build an alternative to the 120-year-old model of the assembly line. Software-intensive, autonomous, robotic, peer-to-peer, additive fabrication. We want to grow products instead of assembling them from parts. We replace industrial robots with smarter, cheaper, smaller, lighter, collaborative ones. The same robot can 3D print but also do the tending, milling, cutting, welding, bonding, painting, you name it. It can even self-replicate. You can sync several robots to raise productivity and the size of the products. You can scale fast by adding more such fabrication cells. You only need one general-purpose, versatile, standardized, off-the-shelf tool to manufacture a huge diversity of products. A software-intensive fabrication cell can integrate AI and embed science, know-how, and skills in its code. They are eventually becoming autonomous. Anybody can fabricate in their apartment or their garage. A lamp today, a scooter next month, an oven afterward, your fridge, or why not, your vehicle. Parts printed at home can be assembled into more complex products in a dedicated local hub. We invented Alvin to make fabrication cells communicate and work together as a whole. Alvin is a dedicated device that connects humans and machines on the same network. It can be a standalone device or be embedded in other mechatronic systems. Once plugged in, Alvin automatically registers to the chain and provides machines with an internet identity and a wallet on ICP blockchain. Alvin also hosts the AI that eventually transforms all mechatronic devices into smart, self-managing, autonomous machines. Humans and machines can seamlessly collaborate on the same infrastructure. You can now remote control and monitor any machine that is linked to an Alvin, regardless of their geographical location. You can make transactions either with human operators or directly with machines. The goal is to create a distributed factory that manufactures locally all the products a community needs. A local tokenized economy that keeps jobs and profits locally.